up, YouTube? It's your boy. It's your boy. J-O-H. Oh fuck, I can't. H-A-B-R-A-H-A-M. Let's go. Well, I'm late, but let's go. What do we gotta do today? We gotta look into general chemistry labs. Cause I got a fucking exam coming up this Friday. That's like 3 days. No, 2 days. So we gotta lock in. You hear me, fam? Fam, you hear me? Yeah. So, think, boy. Think, boy. Which file? Yeah, GC file. There we go. Don't worry, people. My stupid ass brain ain't loading properly. Turn the Stevie off. Okay. So, if I understand, this is like the general instructions on how the lab procedures are to be done. You get it? Now I need to understand what type of questions would be asked. My general idea on what type of questions are that gonna be asked is basically what is the experiment trying to achieve? What are the procedures to achieve the goal this experiment is about to get us? Whoa, that's a really stupid sentence. I hope the grammar was okay. Brother, human beings, brothers and sisters, why is my language so bad? Is there more coffee? Let's go. We got some more coffee. That's all we need. 16 minutes. Push-ups. Holy early. Yeah! We back, son. We back. It should not have been like this. I should stream properly, but apologies, gang. Apologies. I should be. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Hey, you know what day tomorrow is? We're gonna continue sleeping, dogs. That's gonna be cool. And yeah, I got an exam coming up. How you doing, Sans fan? It's been a while, huh? It's been a while, huh? Fuck. Paste that shit. There we go. So. If I had $3 more, tell me if you're buying some Steam games or some shit. I would hook you up with Deltarune. No. You know what? I did not forget about Undertale. But about Undertale, right after I finish Sleeping Dogs, I'm gonna continue with Undertale. And I just gotta say, if I find a job or if I get paid by doing something that is related to my studies, I just gotta say the number of gamings per week is gonna increase. Right now it's only once per week, but that could change. I think, wait, Deltarune is not. Oh, they only have a free trial. They don't, cause I remember playing Deltarune and I remember playing Delta. I know it's a very fun game that Max supported. I'm guessing you're talking about Sleeping Dogs, right? I think Undertale, Deltarune, they're also supported, but the thing is, uh, what was the thing? Yeah, I bought Sleeping Dogs, and just gotta say, there's another factor to playing Sleeping Dogs. It's not my. You want it? No swords and souls never seen. What do you mean? No swords and souls never seen? Like, is that some sort of saying? What you mean, dog? Yeah, what was I saying? I was talking about Deltarune. I think they only have a free trial version because I remember playing Deltarune and I did not pay money for the game. It's not Sleeping Dogs. The game is called Swords and Souls Never Seen. Which game is that though? When did it when did the conversation go to this new game? You know what? I'll check it out though. I'll check it out though. It's a more 2D type of game. There's a game called Swords and Souls Never Seen. Okay, it's more of a 2D type of game. You're saying is what the fuck? $15 for a 2D game? Huh? It's peak. Okay. Why though? Like very positive. 92% of 39. Okay. Likely to spend 30 hours to fully complete the game. Why is it peak though? It's a unique RPG where leveling up takes skill, create, train, and upgrade your characters as you please. That looks like a classic RPG trope. Turn-based combat. It's Apple supported. Yeah. But what's so special though? What? Okay, wait. Wait, is it turn-based or? Yeah, it's turn-based. What? There's a training system like Duck Life. I don't know Duck Life though. What's Duck Life? No way. So I'm guessing you could train the characters. But $14? Maybe it's worth it, I don't know. I never played the game though. Franchise soul game. okay. You don't need too much stuff to run this. Oh, okay. Way too repetitive. The game's overall really good and I would recommend it, but my save game got corrupted and nothing I do let me play the game. Oh, so okay. So I really like this new Steam feature. They show they show the specs of specs of the PC the reviewer has put. That's cool. This person got a 2080. I don't know they need a 2080 for this game, but the game was great. Nobody likes the grind. I mean, yeah. 78 hours. Okay. Classic game, pretty good story, and it's nice if you are starting out on Steam. Okay. Sounds like it's a pretty good game. It's just I live for the grind. Okay. Yeah, it seems I've seen. It seems like I've seen these type of games, but the reviews says it's pretty good. Turn-based combat indie game. Well, did you buy this game? Are you playing this game right now, or you just you just heard about it? So what was I doing? I was I was looking into laboratory type sheet. Okay, I need to prepare for my general chem lab exam, and all I know as part of the questions is that what is that? There's gonna be questions based on procedures of each step, procedures of each sections, and goals, etc. So, Sans fan, I'm guessing you bought the game? Because you live for the grind, right? Lonely the game. King. Whoa, before I play some music, I gotta stop the audio from the screen, the audio from the computer, because I don't. So I can't gift you anything? Is that what you said? It's all good, bro. The fact that you checked out the stream, that means a lot. That's a gift. That's a gift to me, brother. That's a gift. Regional pricing issues. No, bro. It's all good, brother. I'm just gonna be realistic. Even if you gift me the game, I don't think I could play the game in recent times. You know what I'm saying? Maybe within 6 months or 1 year, maybe I would be much freer compared to now. But right now, even if you gift me the game, I don't think I could play it. Just like the game you gifted me, well, Pal World, I still haven't tried it. I mean, there's another reason for I can't try it. It's a Windows game, but yeah, right now it's not a very good moment. But hey, like I said, You checking out the stream, that's the gift. You the best. Okay, okay. What was I doing? What was I doing? I was doing something really important. Like really, like if I don't do it, my computer is gonna explode. That type of important stuff. Yep, play some music. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. What's this? Whoa, whoa, whoa! I'm getting confused on what to do, where to look at, how to proceed. First, we weigh in 0.37 grams of zinc oxide. So, which question was that? 0.37 grams of zinc oxide, 0.73 grams of potassium permanganate, magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. I think that's section 8. No, it's not section 8. Wait, then it's section 6. No, then it's section 5. Oh, wait. Manganese 2 is oxidized. Chloride free manganese sample is dissolved in one. Heating mantle is put in a state. What? Which part was involved with heating mantle? So this person has drew the oh fuck. That's the distillation. No, that's not distillation, that's recrystallization setup. Which experiment was involved with recrystallization? Which one though? Okay. Fuck. Oh wait, I drew this, but that's not this for this one, right? No, that's for this one. No way, I drew this big one. That's section 2. Section 2? It's glycine is involved, but the solution must be kept at 80 degrees Celsius. When the solution gets heated for 30 minutes, the precipitate is filtered out via suction filtration. After that, the precipitate is dried for 15 minutes in vacuum. In the 16 minutes, guess what? Push-ups. 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 15 minutes. Hello. I just saw it. Hello, Dalmatians. How you doing? It's been a while, huh? How we doing? How is the server and everything doing? What? I'm trying to start a side hustle. Okay, what type of side hustle though? I don't know. Okay. I don't know if that's a good way to start the side hustle. But wait, I remember you had some sort of side stuff, right? Fiverr or something. I don't know if I'm remembering this correct. But yeah. Are you starting a side hustle to pay your editors? Please don't tell me that. Yo, TSB. I should start writing, right? I should start writing. Oh fuck. This is not good. That is not good. Broken? No way it's broken. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense on why it was happening. Well, Dalmatians, are you still on the chat? Action required. Action required for what? Oh, whoa. Did you see that? That was pretty slow. That was pretty slow. So let's move the camera to a new place, because I'm gonna change the place, or change the camera setup. I need to start a new one. Add folder. Guys, ready for the best transition out there? Oh, fuck. Wait. We're not there yet. There we go. See how we go? That's a bit too large, right? Like, you can't see shit. I don't know what I was thinking. Why is it so big though? That's bigger than it. That's pretty big than normal. Maybe I should make it a bit smaller. So it's so unusual. It's so unusual than normal. General simplification of each sections in general Chem labs. Separation of 3-component mixture. Separate the mixture of 3 components based on the difference in solubility and identify each component. Okay, I hate this. I want to write it like this. Like, this is my perfect weight to perfect length for my tablet, but can I transform? Can I? No, that's not what I want. Can I rotate it? There's a rotate button. Yeah, I guess we gotta live with whatever we got. Goal being separation. Separate the mixture. Three component based on difference in solubility and identify the mixture is treated with water. Mixture is treated with water and a few drops of HCl and MTBE to separate into with water, few drops of HCl and MTBE. The exact numbers I'll learn later to separate it into insoluble solid, aqueous phase, and organic phase. Insoluble residue is filtered and dried in desiccator used for density measurement. Insoluble residue. What happened to my handwriting? Residue is filtered and dried in desiccator and used for density measurement. Dried in desiccator and used for density determination. Aqueous phase is treated with potassium carbonate to precipitate the water soluble compound, which is then filtered and dried. Phase, not solution. 15 minutes. To precipitate which is then filtered and dried. Oh fuck. I'm gonna take to do some push-ups. Filter and dried. 15 minutes. The organic phase aqueous solution. Combined aqueous extracts. Are acidified with HCl to precipitate the organic compound, which is then filtered and dried. Organic phase is extracted within a solution. The combined aqueous extracts are acidified with HCl to precipitate the organic compound, which is then filtered and dried. Organic phase is extracted within a solution. The combined aqueous phase. Insoluble component remains as a solid residue. Precipitate forms from aqueous phase after addition of K2O3. Precipitate forms from organic extract after acidification. These three components are successfully separated on solubility differences and can be identified by the density, chemical test, melting point. Okay. I think that's good enough for me right now. Then the table is now full. It's already a big table, but it's full. Fucking full. Section 2. Preparative synthesis of copper to glycinate. Fuck. Goal. Synthesize and isolate cis and trans copper to glycinate from copper to salt and glycine. Synthesize and isolate cis and trans copper to glycinate from copper to salt and glycine. Procedure. Glycine is dissolved in water and mixed with heated solution of copper fuck CuCH3CO twice. What's the name though? Okay. Give me the name. Oh. Copper to acetate, chemically written as okay. Don't go. Glycine is dissolved in water, mixed with heated and did I just miss that and? Heated solution of CuCH3COO twice. So that's copper to acetate. in water and ethanol at 65 degrees Celsius upon cooling and further cooling in ice bath. And further cooling in an ice bath this is copper. Fuck, I just wrote it just like acetate in water and ethanol at 65 degrees Celsius upon cooling and further cooling in ice bath, cis copper to glycinate. Okay, I gotta. Glycinate crystallizes and is isolated at the sites and is isolated by suction filtration. At least that's what I did. For our trans isomer, part of this product is reheated with additional glycine and filtrate under reflux condition. Trans copper to glycinate part of the cis product is reheated with additional glycine and filtrate under reflux condition. Filtrate under reflux conditions. After heating, the hot solution is filtered to obtain the trans. After heating, the hot solution is filtered. Filtered to obtain trans copper to glycate. Glycinate. Both products are dried desiccator. I got 1 more hour before the class, fuck. Yeah, it's at 5:15, right? Yep. It's 5:15. No, wait. Okay, I feel like that's. That means push-ups, right? 15 minutes means fucking push-ups. Yep. Oh shit, I got distracted again. 15 minutes. Fermentation and distillation, section 3. Procedure: produce ethanol by fermentation of sucrose, isolated by distillation, determine its concentration and yield. Procedure: produce ethanol by fermentation of sucrose, isolated by distillation, and determine its concentration and yield. Isolate it by distillation and isolate by distillation and determine yield, concentration. Determine its yield, concentration, and yield. Procedure: sucrose is dissolved in water and fermented with yeast in a closed system with a fermentation log. Sucrose is dissolved in water and fermented with the yeast in a closed system using a fermentation log. Sucrose is dissolved. I should charge my tablet. My phone is not fully charged. Five minutes. Okay. Fuck Google. You trying to make me nostalgic? Oh, this is how stupid you looked 2 years ago. Yeah, want to see a picture? I did not ask for that, Google. It just shows that they have control. How much control they have over my data. Can I complain? Nope. I can't complain. Oh man, I gotta say, I'm feeling pretty fucked up. I'm forgetting because. I'll be right back, okay? I'm forgetting what I'm doing here. I keep on forgetting. 30 more minutes, fuck. No, it's already 15 minutes. You know what? 8 minutes. Is the screen readable? The distillate is trans. Okay. It is kind of readable. Sucrose is dissolved in water and fermented with yeast. In a closed system using a fermentation lock filled with slaked lime. Saturated solution of calcium carbonate, CaCO3 twice. CaCO3. If I knew the oxidation state of calcium, I would have written CO3 twice, but I did not know. Wait, if both calcium and carbonate has an oxidation state of 2, then they both should cancel. Okay. After minimum 5 days. The mixture is filtered to remove yeast. To remove yeast. The filtrate is distilled with boiling stones and distillate is collected while monitoring temperature. The filtrate is distilled and the distillate 80 milliliters is collected while monitoring temperature. The distillate is transferred into a 100 milliliter volumetric flask. Diluted to the mark, and its density is measured using a pycnometer. The alcohol content is additionally determined using a hydrometer. Is additionally determined using hydrometer. Okay, I don't think I have to write the observations, but at least okay. Gas formation due to fermentation CO2, lime water turns milky. Did I set a timer? Yeah, I did. And it's gonna pop. I pressed paste. That's not a lot. That's not a lot. Oh man, you should see what I wrote for today's math, brother. Math 2 is getting crazy. push-ups. Diamond push-ups. Oh man, my hands are fucking tired right now. Fuck. Oh. 10 push-ups, that's it? That's it? I guess. Whew. I really see that difference. I was like, I cannot push forward. 75, 85, okay. That's total. That's not like single set. "15 minutes. Acids and bases, right? Prepare solution. Determine pH values, perform neutralization reaction, and understand buffer behavior. And understand buffer behavior. Whoa, did I just get distracted? I did. I literally got distracted. Obtained by dilution. The pH of various solutions measured using indication paper by applying drops of solution onto the paper. Neutralization reactions are carried out by mixing equal volumes of acid and base solutions. Neutralization reactions are carried out mixing equal volumes of acid and base solutions. Example HCl followed by pH measurement followed. Buffer solutions, acetate, buffer solutions, acetate and ammonium buffer. Buffer are prepared and their pH is measured. Are prepared and their pH is measured before and after addition of acid or base. The results are compared with unbuffered water. And their pH before and after addition of acid or base. The results are compared with unbuffered water. At 45, I'm gonna end the stream because before I head to the class, it's gonna be a 3-hour class, and before I head to class, I should have something in my stomach. You know what? Am I shivering? No, 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 no. Fuck. Okay, my right hand is not shivering that much. Okay. It was just a thought. I thought I was shivering too much. Shivering too much. I'll stop with another important thing to write. Things to do. Those are the important things to write. It's been a while since I stopped writing that. Fuck. The book is over. I hate that. I really like this book though. Why are you doing this, brother? Why is my pen so bad? It recently is getting worse. It's just getting worse and worse and worse. I don't get it. Is it some air cavity or something? Like, why you so bad, bro? You used to be good, brother. Like, you're the worst. I cannot always bring ink with me all the time. Fuck. The only reason I'm using this pen is because it's designed. Look at that. It's a beautiful pen. But that's the problem with things that are beautiful. They don't work. It's a joke, okay? It's a joke. I was talking about cars. Whoa. Why did I say that it's a joke? Oh, that's such a fucked up thing to say. Well, yep. What was I thinking? What else? What else? No, it's still not. It's still not working properly. What happened, bro? Or is it just a feeling? Okay, maybe if I give in enough pressure, it works. Yep, I think the problem is me. Because I just wrote in my tablet, then I changed to pen. I think that's a big problem. Oh shit. Okay. Yo, Hamid. I know it's Hamid because only you come up in the chat with my name. No, Mahid. It's Mahid. I apologize, brother. I keep on changing this M to H. How you doing? Appreciate you for checking out the stream. Uh, whoa, someone's calling me. Now, right now. 15 minutes. Well, Mahid, you came in the right time. I got a class in like 15 minutes and I was about to go for it. Best of luck with the studies. I appreciate that, bro. Well, you know what? I'm also gonna end the stream. Peace out, YouTube.